Hey guys, I wanted to just take a before of my closet slash craft room area because I am hopefully going to organize it soon. So when you first walk in, there's this whole shelf of stuff. Nothing is organized properly. Everything's just like not spatially right. But yeah, we have this shelf and I just have like piles of clothes here. I have some my makeup palettes and brushes and such there. This box is from my wedding, just displaying it. Usually, like, not usually, it's like a total waste of space. And then I have like my workout shoes down there. And I guess we'll just go this way. Oh, there's my ninja sticker. Okay, so here are clothes I'm selling on Poshmark, and then down here are just more of my clothes that I haven't hung up yet, and then there's more clothes that I need to sell. I'm really trying to downsize and sell all my clothes, but we'll see. I'm thinking of either selling them or using them as fabric because there's so many different kinds. Oh, hi baby. And then up here, I just threw all my sweaters up there because I wanted to put some of my nail polish up here. So you may have seen this organizer in a previous video. I'll put the link up here somewhere of when I built it and where I bought it from. It's super useful. And then you can see here, I've organized it by light to dark as well as I could. These are all gel nail polishes.
Where's mommy's packages?
Oh, where's mommy's packages? So cute. And I just have some random stuff here. I have sunglasses, this little porcelain purse. I have like lip liners in the back, makeup, some makeup I have to organize. This is literally like a pile of random, probably like garbage and stuff. And then I have literal garbage boxes down here from all the crafts I've been buying and the machines I've been buying. It's been crazy. But yeah. Then, well, closet was organized by color. So these are all my whites. And these are my sweaters and overcoat, like not jackets, but just like sweaters and cardigans. And then up here I just have like some shoes. I don't even know what's up there. Oh, where's mommy's package? And then I have like scarves and skirts and I don't remember what's there. But yeah, then this is my ring light for when I film. Down here are all my black clothes. Up there's my gray clothes. I wear a lot of gray and black. Okay. Oh, you owie? Oh, let mommy see. He was fine. He just wanted a kiss. He's so cute. And I kind of started organizing here. So up here before were all my colored clothes, like pinks, very, very little pinks because I don't have that much color in my wardrobe. I like pinks, red, blue, green, and then down here are where the beiges and tans. But I moved everything into one section down here so I can put this. I'm trying to make this whole section into my craft section. So I started using these bins that I had before, but I just threw everything in just so it looks neater. But up there is really just like socks and bras. And then here are my filming equipment and like random stuff. And then here are my embroidery threads, and behind it is actually like just stacks of leggings. And then down here are just stacks and stacks of leggings and random stuff that I just threw there to get off the floor. And down there are more leggings, and here's like a pile of all clean clothes that I didn't have a chance to put away, so they're still in the basket. And over here is my shoe rack of high heels that I no longer wear and probably will never wear, but I was just so into shoes and fashion and clothes back in the day that it's like I'm like, what if I want to look cute again one day? I should just keep it, but I don't know. I'm willing to sell if anyone wants. But yeah, this shoe organizer I bought on Amazon, and they were like sold out for the longest time. And then I finally, when I was looking to organize my closet and change it into more of a craft room than a closet, they sell them, but they're not clear. Like this part here isn't clear anymore, it's black, so it doesn't look as nice. But if you're wondering where I bought this, I can try to find the link, or just leave a comment and then I will put the link somewhere. But yeah, and then these are all this is a purse that I'm selling on Poshmark. I bought it like forever ago and never used it. It still has a tag on it. I used to shop a lot. And then this is all my scrap piles that I need to organize. And all these bins are full of clothes and random stuff from when I moved into my house from my old place like 4 years ago. 5 years ago. 4 years ago. No, 5 years ago. Yeah, something like that. So it's been a while. I've never unpacked. I've never organized my closet. I just kind of like threw everything in here. And I started like everything hanging is washed and cleaned, and it was just like overwhelming, so I just kind of stopped. But yeah, I really need to. It's been a long time. And then this is my mannequin thingy for when I sew to measure. And I just kind of threw some stuff on here when I was trying clothes on. And yep, and in here is my closet. In here I just put like random stuff up there. Nothing's organized, and nothing's organized in here. It's just whatever's long, like long dresses, my onesies, etc, etc. So yeah, that is what my closet looks like before. Now hopefully, oh, I didn't even show you my island. So this is my sewing table from my old place, and in here are just fabrics and random thread and yarn and things like that in these cabinets. And so this table I liked because it extends, so you can fold it down under there. And on that side I have my laundry basket, and this side I have my new crafting things that I'm gonna make a whole separate video on, because I've been going ham, just buying so many crafting things this whole quarantine. But yeah, like this part looked even messier before I put the bins there. Oh, I forgot to tell you about over here. Okay, so this, I'm gonna make a video of all the stuff I just bought. And this is how I do my digitizing in my work. And I mostly draw my iPad Pro, but I'm gonna try to transition to using this. This is the, what is it, Microsoft Windows Surface Pro 2. And it's super cool because it's actually a touchscreen, so you don't necessarily need to use a mouse. It comes with this stylus pen here that magnetizes on the side, so I have like no depth perception. So I'm like trying to grab the pen. Okay, there we go. And so it's a touchscreen. I can draw on it, and you're like, oh, isn't it hard to draw like that? Well, it actually moves down. It's so big that I need to kind of step back. There we go. I believe this is like 32 inches or something like that. But yeah, it's super cool. It adjusts really easily. My son loves it because he loves to paint, quote unquote paint on it, and he likes drawing on the screen and tapping my keyboard here. Down here I just have some random scraps that I need to take care of, and yep, random things there. Okay. Oh, and then this is my brother SE600 that I also bought very recently that I'm totally in love with. My sewing clips, random patches that I've made, and this is my crafting bin that I need to organize that has like everything that I need for crafting in here. Or embroidery, yeah, making stickers. What else do I have in there? I don't know. We'll go through it later. But yeah, I'll just give a quick tour of my shoes. I have like heels on the top, some flats. I've been trying to transition to flats. I actually like gave away most of my heels. I just kept like the super cute ones that were harder for me to find, or I thought were unique or cuter in design. And yeah, other than that, I really downsized a lot when I moved here, and I still have way too much stuff. So hopefully I will eventually just turn this whole section into a craft room. Maybe I'll just keep like a little section of clothes, like maybe just that section I'll move here to be clothes, and then everything else will be crafting stuff. Though I don't know if I want to get too crazy into crafting stuff, but we'll see, because I don't wear all these clothes anymore because I don't go anywhere fancy. I don't go anywhere where I need to be cute. So we'll see. Anyways, I'll have this table here, and I have a little stool chair here. So yeah, this is the before. I'm gonna work on the after.